in Jamaica?
Pum pum in Jamaica. You know, say me see it, but me not remember God say I know.
Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican. Come and chat with Tania, everyone from different culture. Learn the Jamaican structure, just like, share and subscribe, yeah. We are in the beautiful parish of St. Elizabeth in Santa Cruz. And currently, what we want to do is to ask some Jamaican phrases that we want the people to explain to us the meaning of those phrases. Alright, so stay tuned as we go along. Outa. When somebody say outa, what does it mean?
When somebody say outa, it in terms of so many ways. When you cuss bad or you're rude to somebody, them say she outa here, because she never have no manners. Or you may bounce somebody then and them say, she outa here, you see you bounce me. You understand?
What does pum pum mean in Jamaica?
So, pum pum basically means vagina in Jamaica. So, down here.
A Peeny Wally in Jamaica is an insect down with a light on it.
What time? How you know that?
I know that because I grew in the country, although I'm a Kingstonian.
Alright. Walk bout. If somebody say a walk bout.
That means that therefore you're not in your yard, you walk go people's yard and something.
Outa mean.
Outa mean doesn't have any manners.
The first phrase is what outa mean in Jamaica. Somebody say outa.
Yeah, and you don't have any manners.
Right. What does outa mean in Jamaica when somebody say outa?
You say rude. You're rude.
One is pum pum. What is pum pum in Jamaica?
Vagina.
Vagina.
Okay.
Alright. And the first one is pum pum. What does it mean? Or what is it?
Vagina.
Alright.
Yes, Tania.
I want to ask you a popular phrase. What does pum pum mean in Jamaica?
Pum pum.
Or what is pum pum?
Oh, pum pum is what the man them run down there, you know. Then run after the pum pum. The vagina, the female organ, sexual organ,
Alright,
reproductive
good.
organ.
Right, walk bout. Somebody say a walk bout.
Walk about in terms that is, for instance, me a young girl or a young guy, me can't stay in my yard then. Me gonna my friend yard, to my friend yard we gonna upstairs gonna play games or something, you know. We walk about gonna do something.
Ask you about some popular Jamaican phrases. The first one I want to tell you, what does outa mean?
Well, as I look at it, phrase I look at it, it's definitely like when you have children, them and they face with you like say bad words or certain things like those.
One more. What Kibba your mouth mean?
Yeah, man. To lock it or close, shut up. Shut
Okay.
up your mouth. Like somebody say, shut your mouth.
Alright, thank you.
Alright.
And the last one is, what is a Peeny Wally?
Peeny Wally. Yeah, Tam Tam. I look something in my fly at night time.
Tam, what's the real name?
Blinky. You have them Blinky and Tam Tam. That's a Peeny Wally same name.
Yeah, alright. What I really look for is a firefly.
Oh, firefly. Alright. We don't really call him so still.
And the last one of Peeny Wally.
Same something we fly a dark night when we are little picnic where they call stranger coming at your house.
So they're not still fly now?
True. Yes, they still fly, but me not see them.
What is pum pum?
Vagina.
And the last one is outa. If somebody say outa.
That means you're full of attitude and have no behavior, things like that, etc.
When somebody said that you're outa, what is your understanding of it? Outa.
Outa.
Alright, me give you one. What is pum pum in Jamaica?
Pum pum in Jamaica. You know, say me see it, but me not remember God say I know. Me see somebody tell pum pum weird. Out on Facebook I think me see, but me can't pick it up.
Pum pum. You don't know what pum pum means?
Like vagina? So why you use the word pum pum? People now use pum pum again.
Jamaican phrase.
Phrase, oh.
What it means.
Vagina what ladies have.
Yes. When somebody say you walk bout,
You know, stay your yard.
Kibba your mouth. If somebody
Chat
says
too
you
much.
Kibba your mouth. Last one is, what is a Peeny Wally?
Peeny Wally. I want to sit me fly with light, man.
It's one name. The correct name for it.
I don't know what this is. I don't know the one.
Oh, it's a firefly.
Firefly.
If somebody say you walk boat, what them I say? If they say you walk boat.
This one is your walk boat. Does that mean say you just love walk or something like that?
Peeny Wally. What is a Peeny Wally?
So, Peeny Wally is like the term for fireflies in Jamaica. So it's called Peeny Wally. Wallies or something like that. Yeah, something like that.
What time they fly?
They fly mostly at when the time is dark, basically nighttime.
Alright, the next one is Peeny Wally. What is a Peeny Wally?
Well, from a child growing up, me always know Peeny Wally as some little, something like, me if a night mostly you receive, something like that. Me is not a country girl in Kingston me come from, but me normally they say Peeny Wally like some little something. Me don't know if I will light or whatever.
Somebody said that you walk boat.
You can't turn your yard.
Alright. When somebody said for you to keep by your mouth.
That mean I shut up.
If somebody say you walk boat, what does that mean?
Walk out. I mean I go all about just stray a lot.
Walk boat.
You walk all about an Eiger lighter, Eiger Justin.
Alright, pum pum.
Vagina.
What is a Peeny Wally in Jamaica?
You call it Blinky. Yeah.
Another name for Blinky, we need the real name. It is a firefly. Kibba your mouth. If somebody said to you, Kibba your mouth, what is it that they're saying?
That basically means you like to talk, and Jamaicans, when you're talking or them like you talk too much, they always say, "Kibba your mouth, you chat too much."
Kibba your mouth.
You chat too much, you talk everything.
Alright, the next one is pum pum. What people call pum pum in Jamaica?
Pussy.
No.
Vagina.
Alright, when somebody said that you're Outa auda, what is it that they're saying?
That basically means you lack manners, you don't have any respect towards anyone.
Alright, what is pum pum?
Pum pum. In terms of like
What Jamaicans refer to as pum pum?
vagina.
Pum pum. What people call pum pum in Jamaica? Well, your vagina, they want talk. Kibba your mouth. If somebody says to kibba your mouth.
Well, Kibba your mouth mean like if you hear somebody say something, you don't say nothing because you are putting a problem.
If somebody said that you walk boat, what does that mean?
So that basically means that you like to walk places and just like go everywhere.
Alright, what are your views overall about the coronavirus?
Alright, so my views that's a long thing to be debated on, but my views about this virus, it's very easy to catch. It's something to be aware about, and yeah, so we have to keep safe from this virus.
What are you doing to protect yourself?
As you can see, I'm wearing my mask. I wash my hands frequently. I always have my hand sanitizer, which is in the car. So you know you have to, and social distancing. I cannot stress that enough, guys. You have to stay at least 3 feet from the person, 3 to 6 feet from the person because it's a very disease that can catch it easily. So I can even be like this and walk past with my shirt, catch you, and that's it.
How you feel overall about the corona?
How me feel? Tell you the truth, you know. Me no never try to really reach my foot or my doorway exactly, but me kind of take myself in with this thing because as far as me understand, it is serious. It is no doubt about it. It is deadly serious. Knowing that even though I sell on the street, me not have a license, but me have to still try and guarantee myself to come out, come still make me dollar because me not have who to give me. But me know it is dangerous for me on the road, but me just run the risk. Me have the glove, me have the mask, you know. Me have the mask, I chew me just I deal with my little girl, me take off the mask. Me have my hand sanitizer as you can see in my little buckle. Me have my wipes as you can see and I have a big wipes in there over there in my stuff. So eventually me do as what them say. You understand? Because we don't know who will come by and who will come around us. You understand who do have it. So we have to just take heed and just be to ourselves. But to me dey on the road, me can't keep to myself. Me have to call people now. So me have to tell you come by me June. And so me have to call people. Them are weird, you know, true when they don't see me have on the mask. But true some of them, they know me, they still come give me the support. You understand? Because true it is that risk talking to somebody without the mask. Sometimes some look and they look for me, but when they realize they are me, they say, alright, me I give you a bag. But that's how things say.
Overall, how you feel about the coronavirus?
Just can't wait for it to go still, basically. You see?
Alright, thanks. Alright, so how you feel about the whole coronavirus thing?
Well, honestly, for me, well, me not really have no fear because me look at it from me read my Bible and me look at it therefore it's from me the beginning to now. So there's nothing to fear about. When you believe in God and trust in God, there's nothing to fear about.
What plans you putting in place though to keep?
Well, most like stay at home and sanitize and those things.
Alright then, thanks.
By worst pandemic, me ever know, ever know, and they make everything depend on standstill.
How it affects you?
As a taxi operator, my gross used to be between $4,000 to $5,000 a day after gas. Now, I have a set figure. I not even go me yard with not even $2,000, not even $1,500. But I just do it too. I not really want to slow an hour.
Okay.
Everything running that to a loss. Can't buy food, can't maintain a vehicle, can't maintain a family.
And what you doing to stay corona free?
Wash my hands regularly, wear my mask, keep the whole surrounding clean.
Alright then. Thanks.
Alright, my darling.
How you feel about the coronavirus?
Feel bad, that me can't make no money.
What steps are you taking to be safe?
Wear my mask.
Well, yeah, everybody's scared away, everybody have a way, but we have to hope for the best and pray not for the best.
Alright. Yeah man, thanks.
Boy, mash up the world, baby. That's all I can say. Mash up the world. I'm in life.
How you mash up your life?
We can't get to work.
Alright. Alright, thanks.
Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more. Like, share, subscribe.